Starlink versus HughesNet satellite internet. What's the difference? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the key differences between Starlink and HughesNet satellite internet services. This tutorial compares their speeds, latency, pricing, and availability to help you determine which provider best suits your needs. So first up, let's talk about the technology behind these services. Starlink, operated by SpaceX, utilizes a constellation of low Earth orbit, also known as LEO satellites positioned approximately 550 km above the Earth. This proximity allows for faster data transmission and lower latency. HughesNet, on the other hand, relies on geostationary Earth orbit, also known as GEO satellites situated above 35,786 km above the Earth. While this provides broad coverage, the greater distance results in higher latency. Now, when it comes to speed and performance, Starlink offers download speeds ranging from 25 to 220 Mbps, with most users experiencing speeds over 100 Mbps. Upload speeds typically range from 5 to 20 Mbps. Latency is as low as 25 to 60 ms on land, making it suitable for activities like video calls and online gaming. HughesNet, on the other hand, provides download speeds up to 100 Mbps through real-world speeds often average around 20 Mbps. Upload speeds are approximately 3 Mbps and latency ranges from 600 to 800 ms, which can impact real-time applications. In terms of data usage, Starlink does not impose hard data caps, allowing for unlimited high-speed data usage through a fair use policy may apply. HughesNet offers plans with data limits ranging from 15 to 100 GB per month. Once the data cap is exceeded, speeds are reduced to 1 to 3 Mbps. Now let's compare the costs. Starlink charges a monthly fee of approximately $120 for residential services, with a one-time equipment cost of $599. There are no long-term contracts required. HughesNet offers monthly plans ranging from $49.99 to $149.99 depending on the selected data plan. Equipment can be leased for $14.99 to $19.99 per month or purchased outright. Typically, a 2-year contract is required. Regarding availability, Starlink is expanding its coverage globally. Through some high-demand areas may have waitlists, a clear view of the sky is necessary for optimal performance. HughesNet is available across the United States, including rural areas, offering stable coverage wherever there's a clear view of the southern sky. So who should choose which service? Starlink is ideal for users requiring fast internet for remote work, gaming, video calls, and streaming. HughesNet is suitable for basic browsing, email, and light streaming, especially in areas where other internet options are unavailable. So in summary, if you're talking about technology, Starlink uses LEO satellites for lower latency. HughesNet uses GEO satellites. Speed performance, Starlink offers higher speeds and lower latency, and HughesNet provides consistent though slower speeds. And if you're talking about data and bandwidth, Starlink offers unlimited data, and also HughesNet has data caps with reduced speeds and after limits. So choose the service that best fits your internet needs and location. And with that, it's the end of this comparison video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.